Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Indian Bull vs Bear. In this video, I will present the royal families of Indian economy. I will also present how their groups fare against 10 different parameters. So let's start. Here they are. First is the Ambani Group, Adani Group, Tata Group, Aditya Birla Group, Poonawalla Group, Bajaj Group, Godrej Group, Hinduja Group, Burman Group, and the Wadia Group. Let's now see a quick summary of each of these groups. So the Ambani Group is headed by Mukesh Ambani. Main companies of the group are Reliance Industries and Geo Financial Services. Main sectors in which these companies operate includes oil and gas, retail, telecom, and green energy. The net worth of the Ambani family is approximately $110 billion. Key highlights of this group includes RIL is India's largest company by market cap, major expansion into retail and telecom with Geo leading the digital revolution. Let's see the next group. So the Adani Group is headed by Gautam Adani. Major companies are Adani Enterprises, Adani Ports, Adani Green Energy, Adani Power, etc. The sectors in which this group operates includes infrastructure, energy, ports, airports, and green energy. The net worth of Adani family is approximately $80 billion. Key highlights for this group: major player in infrastructure and renewable energy. Adani Ports is the largest port operator in India. Moving on, Aditya Birla Group. Aditya Birla Group is headed by Kumar Mangalam Birla. Companies of this group includes Grasim Industries, Hindalco, Ultratech Cement, Aditya Birla Capital, etc. The sectors in which its companies operates include cement, metals, financial services, textiles, and telecom. The net worth of Birla family is approximately $20 billion. Key highlights for this group: Ultratech Cement is India's largest cement manufacturer. Grasim is a major player in financial services and textiles. Moving on to the next group, Tata Group. N. Chandrasekharan is heading the Tata Group. He is the chairman of Tata Sons. The companies of this group includes Tata Consultancy Services (TCS), Tata Steel, Tata Motors, Tata Power, Titan, Tata Consumer, etc. Main sectors in which this group's companies operates includes IT, steel, automobile, FMCG, power, and hospitality. The net worth of Tata Group is approximately $150 billion. Key highlights of this group: TCS is India's largest IT services company. Tata Sons holds majority stake in the group companies. Moving on, Sanjeev Bajaj heads the Bajaj Group. Its companies includes Bajaj Auto, Bajaj Finserv, Bajaj Finance, Bajaj Housing, etc. The sector in which its companies operate are financial services, auto, and insurance. The net worth of Bajaj family is approximately $25 billion. Key highlights of the companies: Bajaj Finance is India's leading NBFC. Bajaj Auto is a major player in two-wheeler and three-wheeler markets. Moving on to the Hinduja Group, it is headed by Gopi Chand Hinduja, Prakash Hinduja, and family. The companies of this group are Ashok Leland, IndusInd Bank, Hinduja Global Solutions, etc. The sectors in which this group operates includes banking, automotive, IT, power, and healthcare. The net worth of Hinduja family is approximately $30 billion. Key highlights for this group: Ashok Leland is one of the India's largest commercial vehicle manufacturer. IndusInd Bank is a leading private sector bank. Moving on to the next group, which is the Godrej Group. It is headed by Adi Godrej and Piroj Shah Godrej. The companies of this group includes Godrej Consumer Products, Godrej Properties, Godrej Agrovet, etc. The sectors in which its companies operates includes FMCG, real estate, and agribusiness. The net worth of Godrej family is approximately $15 billion. Key highlights of the companies of this group: Godrej Consumer Products is a major FMCG player, and Godrej Properties has a strong presence in real estate development. Moving on to the next group, which is the Poonawalla Group. The group is headed by Cyrus Poonawalla and Adar Poonawalla. The companies of this group are Serum Institute of India. Sectors in which this group operates includes pharmaceuticals and biotechnology. The net worth of Poonawalla family is approximately $25 billion. The key highlights of this group's companies are Serum Institute of India is the world's largest vaccine manufacturer. It has produced Covishield during the COVID-19 pandemic. Moving on to the next group, which is the Burman Group. Burman Group is headed by Mohit Burman and Anand Burman. Major companies include Dabur India Limited. The sectors in which its companies operates are FMCG and healthcare. The net worth of the Burman family is approximately $10 billion. The key highlights of the companies of this group are Dabur is one of the India's largest FMCG companies, strong presence in Ayurvedic and natural healthcare products. Moving on to the next one, which is the Wadia Group. It is headed by Nas Wadia and Jahangir Wadia. Companies include Bombay Dyeing, Britannia Industries, etc. The sector in which these companies operates are FMCG, textiles, and aviation. Net worth of the Wadia family is approximately $8 billion. Key highlights for this group are Britannia is a major FMCG player in India, and Bombay Dyeing has a strong presence in textiles and real estate. So now, as a summary is out of the way, let's see how they fare against each other on 10 different parameters. So the first parameter is the financial performance. So financial performance analyzes revenue trends, profit margins, and overall growth rates over multiple years to gauge financial health and stability. So Ambani Group is faring very well. It's strong and diversified. Tata Group is also strong and conglomerate, and the Hinduja Group is diversified as a global reach. In terms of market cap and enterprise value, Ambani Group, Adani Group, and Tata Group have a very high market cap and hence the high enterprise value. In terms of diversification, which evaluates the range of industries they operate in and the performance of each sector, assesses the uh, balance between core business and new ventures. So the Ambani Group is highly diversified, so as the Tata Group. Rest all groups are also uh, quite diversified. Fourth parameter is the debt and leverage. This analyzes debt to equity ratio and interest coverage ratios to understand their financial risk and ability to manage debt. So Ambani and Adani groups have high debt, whereas Poonawalla group has low debt, which is a very good thing. Rest all the groups have moderate debt. Fifth parameter is corporate governance. This parameter assesses adherence to ethical standards, transparency in reporting, and the effectiveness of board of directors. So in this parameter, Ambani Group is improving and Adani Group is under scrutiny. Aditya Birla, Tata, Bajaj, Godrej, Burman, and Wadia Group are strong. Poonawalla Group too is improving, similar to Ambani Group, and Hinduja Group has a moderate corporate governance. Moving on to the sixth parameter, which is innovation and technology. This evaluates investments in research and development, adoption of new technologies, and ability to adapt to changing market dynamics. So, in innovation, Ambani, Adani, Tata, Bajaj, and Poonawalla Group uh, have high score, whereas Aditya Birla Group, Bajaj, Hinduja, Godrej, Bourbon, and Wadi are moderate. Moving on to the seventh parameter, which is the brand reputation. This parameter analyzes brand equity, customer loyalty, and public image. This includes social responsibility initiatives as well. So, in this, all the groups are strong. Adani Group is mixed. This may be because of politics, this may be because of that Hindenburg saga, which unfolded in 2024 and I think in 2023 as well. Overall, these are the top groups of Indian economy, and each and every group has a very good brand reputation. Moving on to the eighth point, which is the global footprint. This evaluates presence in international markets, success in cross-border operations, and global expansion strategies. So Ambani and Adani Group are still growing, whereas Hinduja Group has a very high global footprint. So as the Tata Group, rest all other groups have a moderate global footprint. Moving on to the ninth parameter, which is the talent management. This parameter assesses ability to attract, retain, and develop talent, evaluates employee satisfaction and organizational culture. So on this parameter, um, almost all the groups are faring high, except Adani Group, which is growing, and the Vadia Group, which has a moderate rating or rank in this parameter. And finally, the last parameter, which is the regulatory and risk. This parameter assesses how well the business group handles regulatory hurdles and how well they manage risk in all of their business sectors. So, Ambani, Adani, Tata Group, and the Poonawalla Group, they manages this very well, whereas rest all have a moderate ranking against this parameter. So that is all from my side in this video. I hope by now you have a fair idea about the titans of Indian economy. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel, like and comment. I'll be back soon with another video. Goodbye for now.